Here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 2, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using, and then tap on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and select History. And here you've got all data stored in your Google Chrome history, and if you'd like to remove it, tap on Clear Browsing Data. Under Basic you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also Cart Images and Files, and if you'll switch to Advanced Options, you'll find a few more, and these are saved passwords, out of uniform data, and also site settings. And now you can smoothly remove it by tapping on Clear Data, but at first you should select the time range, so just click on Time Range and decide if you'd like to remove the data from past hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, and I will choose all time. Click on Clear Data, and that's it. As you can see, it's empty, so you've just removed all browsing history and you can create it from scratch. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.